You are going to love the 2020 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.